Tokyo Revengers is getting an anime adaptation on Crunchyroll in April 2021. Here's everything we know about it so far. Crunchyroll released a trailer for upcoming anime Tokyo Revenger, but it's definitely not your typical trailer. For one, there's no dialogue, only a hard rock soundtrack and a cast of full of delinquents. For fans who have read Ken Wakui's manga, the story was clear, but the trailer didn't leave prospective viewers with much. Tokyo Revengers is primarily about time travel and gangs, but at the heart of it, it's about a protagonist who wants to change his life, reverse the past, and save his friends, despite his own shortcomings. Here's a breakdown of everything we know about Tokyo Revengers. So right now I'm gonna talk about a little bit about plot. You need to listen to this very carefully, because if you will understand what I'm talking about and the plot of the story, you will find it really interesting to watch this anime. The story follows Takemichi Hagaki, who in word is a kind of pathetic. Takemichi is and isn't your typical protagonist, often called the crybaby hero. He constantly runs away from his problems, but his strength lies in the fact that even though he gets scared and cries, he isn't someone who shines away from a fight. He will always stand up to someone who is much bigger and more dangerous for those who he cares about. One day, Takemichi gets pushed on a railway track and seemingly dies, only to wake up 12 years in the past, back in the middle school days. Takemichi as a middle schooler is a very different from adulthood Takemichi. He has dyed slick back blonde hair and was a member of a delinquent gang. He realizes that he has been given an opportunity to turn things around. He can save his ex-girlfriend Hinata Tachibana, who died as a victim at the Tokyo Manji gang violence. In Takemichi's present, Hinata and Naoto were both killed in an act of gang violence. But when Takemichi first time traveled, he saved Naoto, who now acts as a trigger. As long as Takemichi shakes his hands with Naoto, regardless of it's in the past or the present, he will be able to time travel. The first time Takemichi time traveled to the past, he tells Naoto that his sister will die on July 4 of 2017 and to do his best to protect her. Although Naoto brushes it off at the first, he takes it to the heart, and 12 years later, Naoto survives, but his sister is still dead. Now the two of them have to work together to stop Hinata from dying. As Takemichi goes back and forth in time, his desire to save Hinata involves in saving everyone. And that was the plot of the story. If you find it interesting, because for me it's really interesting and I'm surely gonna watch this anime. The Crunchyroll trailer is devoid of any voices or subtitles, so it's hard to know about what's happening. We see a few of the key characters like Takemichi and Naoto, but there are also little glimpses of the leader of the Tokyo Manji gang. A quick passing shot shows Takemichi's group of friends who along with Takemichi have bruises and injuries from getting beaten up. Hinata, Takemichi's former girlfriend, also appears before he ultimately died. We don't know why Hinata and Takemichi broke up 12 years ago, but it's clear that they really loved each other while they were dating. Although Hinata was killed by Tokyo Manji gang, the gang itself doesn't look as threatening as they are in the present. In fact, there's a scene in the trailer where Miki smiles behind Takemichi, carefree and happy. But the question is, what happened 12 years ago that led to Toman and Hinata's demise? Crunchyroll released a few key visuals that includes Takemichi's friend and Kiyomasa, a character who constantly bullies Takemichi. Along with that, there's an image of Takemichi in the present with tears running down his face as he hugs Hinata and they are consumed by flames. The first episode of Tokyo Revengers will premiere on Crunchyroll on April 11 of 2021. And by my opinion, I don't think you need to miss this anime because it is going to be really good if they followed the manga. I haven't read the manga yet, but I have read some reviews and it seems like it is really good. So be ready on the April 11th for the first episode of Tokyo Revengers. What are your thoughts about this anime? Have you read this manga? And if you have read this manga, then let me know your comments and opinions in the comment section down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you enjoyed, please subscribe, and that was it, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara.